You're watching how Leap. Let's enable dark mode on your MacBook. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. In the System Settings window, click Appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see three visual style options: Light, Dark, and Auto. Click the Dark option. To enable a system-wide dark mode immediately, your menu bar, dock, and supported apps will switch to a dark color scheme. If you prefer an automatic schedule, select Auto. This will switch between light and dark modes based on your local sunrise and sunset times. You can also customize accent colors and highlight colors from this. Same menu. For quick access, you can add the dark mode toggle to your control center. Go to System Settings, click Control Center, scroll down, and drag Dark Mode from the In-Menu section to the In Control Center section. Then click the Control Center icon in your menu bar to toggle Dark Mode on or off instantly. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel